Hey everybody, it's that time again for the plant of the week, and this week I am sitting next to some very cool, unique plants. It is the giant milkweed, and when I mean giant, in its native habitat, which is a bit more tropical than here, it can get 15 feet tall and 15 feet wide. However, although it's zoned for our areas, zones 9 through 11, it will make it through a hard freezer frost, but the frost, cold weather does knock it back, so it has to restart each year. So it will not get as big unless we see a very mild winter time. But even with that said, it can be pruned and cut to shape to keep it whatever height you want. So this giant milkweed is a lot different in ways from other milkweeds that we use here for the monarchs. They will go to it and use it as a host plant for the caterpillars. It's not their first choice, so if you have other milkweed in the area, they will probably go to those first and then utilize this plant for the caterpillars if need be. They are an easy to grow plant. They love the full sun. They love well-drained soil, so lots of sunshine, don't want to stay wet, and really just enjoy the amazing flowers. So they got these really big flowers. This particular variety is the white giant milkweed. We also from time to time carry a lavender colored flower of the giant milkweed, but this time we have the white, very large, dramatic, kind of plasticky, rubbery flower blossoms that are really cool. Anyways, don't forget to check us out on all of our social media platforms for more gardening tips and tricks to keep you guys growing all year round. See you next week.